Are you over 50 and feeling like the spark in your relationship has faded? Does it seem like things have become routine, leaving your connection with your partner a little dull? What if I told you that a few simple changes, including just 2 positions, could completely transform your intimate moments? It's not just about the technique, it's about the connection and the presence you bring to each other. Keep watching to learn how you can reignite the passion and bring more joy and fulfillment to your relationship. Hey there, welcome back to the Stoic Route. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our videos on relationships, intimacy, and how to strengthen your connections with your loved ones. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below. Tell us if this topic caught your interest. A simple 1 if you're intrigued, or a 0 if it didn't resonate, so we can keep improving our content to serve you better. Now I want to share something personal with you. My partner and I, just like many couples, went through a period where everything felt a bit monotonous. Have you ever felt that way? Like the excitement just isn't there anymore? It was during this time that we decided to make a change. Instead of following the same old routine, we focused on reconnecting, emotionally, mentally, and physically. It was as though we rediscovered the spark that had been hidden for so long. This moment of reconnection made everything feel more intense, more meaningful, and definitely more special. And that's what I want to talk about today. It's not just about the physical act of intimacy, especially as we get older, but the emotional bond and how deeply we can connect with our partners. Research from Harvard University shows that couples who share a strong emotional connection before being intimate experience much more pleasure and satisfaction. So it's not just about the body, it's about how you make each other feel. Today, I'll be showing you 2 positions that can truly help bring you and your partner closer, physically and emotionally. These small, simple changes can make a huge difference, whether you've been together for years or are looking to rediscover each other. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content on intimacy and relationships. Now, let's jump right in. Number 1, the emotional connection that keeps the passion alive. As we get older, many of us find that emotional connection matters more than ever. For many women, especially those over 50, it's not just about the physical act of intimacy, it's about how present and connected they feel with their partner. This emotional bond is what keeps the passion alive in a relationship. Here's a tip. Before any intimate moment, take some time to truly connect with your partner. Spend a few moments just talking, laugh about something, share a memory, or even talk about a deep topic. Caress each other gently and look into each other's eyes. It might seem like a small gesture, but this simple act can make all the difference. It builds the emotional intimacy that enhances everything that follows. When my partner and I stepped away from the routine and focused on reconnecting emotionally before diving into the physical side of things, it completely transformed the way we connected. It made everything more intense and meaningful. If you're looking to spark passion, it doesn't require grand gestures. The little things, holding hands, sharing a smile, whispering sweet words, are what matter most. These moments show your partner that you appreciate and desire them, not just physically but emotionally. It strengthens the bond you share and makes your connection even more special. Number 2, the power of spooning, comfort and passion combined. You may think that spooning is just a cuddling position, but it has far more power than you might realize. For many women, especially as they get older, feeling safe and protected in their partner's arms is key to building intimacy. Spooning provides a sense of security and closeness that can make the whole experience more fulfilling. When a woman feels secure, she opens up, not just emotionally, but physically. And that's when the magic happens. Research shows that couples who share skin-to-skin contact, such as through spooning, feel more emotionally connected, which makes sense when you think about it. It's not just a hug, it's an opportunity to strengthen your emotional bond. While spooning, you can make the moment even more special by whispering something sweet in your partner's ear. It could be something simple like telling her how beautiful she looks, or how happy you are to be close to her. These small gestures can make everything more intense. And don't forget to take your time. Spoon with slow movements, giving your partner gentle touches on areas like the neck or behind the ear. This builds anticipation and increases the pleasure of the moment. Spooning isn't just a physical position, it's an opportunity to create a deeper emotional connection, and it can lead to something even greater. By being close and tender with one another, you're laying the foundation for a deeper bond that will last. Number 3. Reverse cowgirl, empowering control for her. Let's talk about the reverse cowgirl position, something that can bring an entirely new dynamic to your relationship. Many mature women, as they grow more confident, enjoy taking the lead in their intimate moments. The reverse cowgirl gives her full control over the pace, angle, and intensity of the experience, which can be incredibly liberating. A friend of mine shared that the first time she tried the reverse cowgirl, she felt not only physical pleasure, but also a powerful sense of confidence. She realized that being in control was just as satisfying as the pleasure itself, and this sense of empowerment enhanced her emotional connection with her partner. But here's the thing, just because she's in control doesn't mean you don't play an important role. It's your job to support her and encourage her to explore freely. Research shows that when a woman feels in control of her pleasure, her satisfaction increases significantly. So while she takes the lead, make sure to offer loving words, gentle touches, and admiring looks that make her feel even more powerful. The reverse cowgirl is more than just a position. It's a reminder of how important confidence is, especially as we get older. As your partner explores this new level of freedom, you're helping to create a deeper intimacy and trust between the two of you. It's not just about the pleasure, it's about the connection and appreciation for each other. Number 4. Understanding her rhythm, the key to true connection. When it comes to intimacy, understanding your partner's rhythm is everything. Every person's body moves in its own way, and being in tune with that is key to creating pleasurable moments. Especially as we age, a woman's sexual response might be slower, but it can also be deeper and more intense. The trick is to be patient and pay attention to the subtle cues she's giving you. Watch her breathing patterns. If they're becoming quicker and deeper, you're on the right track. Pay attention to her body movements and see how she reacts to your touch. If she arches her back or closes her eyes, that's a good sign that you're hitting the right notes. The key to building intimacy isn't about rushing through the motions. It's about being patient, reading her signals, and adjusting your pace accordingly. Sometimes it's about going slow, allowing the anticipation to build, and then increasing the intensity gradually. The emotional connection you create by tuning into her body will make everything even more special. Number 5. Exploring fantasies. A new chapter after 50. Many people think fantasies are just for the young, but that couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, this stage of life is an incredible opportunity to explore desires you may have kept hidden for years. Your partner likely has fantasies too, and sharing them with each other can bring an exciting new dynamic to your relationship. Don't be afraid to talk about your desires. Start with something light and curious like, "I've always wondered about," or "Have you ever thought about trying?" Creating a safe space where both of you can share openly and without judgment builds trust and intimacy. It's not about grand gestures. It's about being open to new experiences and rediscovering each other in new ways. Remember, after 50, the possibilities for rediscovering intimacy are endless. Don't let age be an obstacle. Instead, see it as a gateway to a deeper, more fulfilling connection. So, the next time you're with your partner, remember to be fully present and cherish every moment. Life is too short to not enjoy the fullness of intimacy. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to The Stoic Route and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.